Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix fail to connect to the server unknown host. It's mainly because of three things. It's maybe your internet connection, so to fix this just make sure you close any other application that is running in the background just by clicking here in the arrow button, and then let's, for example, close Teams, and then keep closing this application that's running in the background from better connection. And then maybe you have a false address IP address. Just so all you have to do is just to open your server, click on it, and then go to edit, and then make sure that your server address is correct. Even if this method doesn't uh, fix your problem, just go here, go to network connections, right click to network connection, click on the Wi-Fi, just right click and then properties, search for protocol internet version 4 TCP IPv4, and then you select this option, type 1 0 0 1, and then 1 1 1 and 1, and then click OK, and then restart your PC, and I hope this will fix your problem. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.